First, sleep on your side. Sleeping on your back can worsen snoring. Second, use a humidifier. Dry air can irritate your nasal passages and throat. Third, maintain a healthy weight. Extra weight can lead to snoring. Avoid alcohol before bed. It relaxes the muscles in your throat. Try nasal strips. They help open your nasal passages. Stay hydrated. Being dehydrated can cause the secretions in your nose to stick together. Try these tips for a quieter night. Hit the like button if you found this useful.